Octostudio coding. Today, we will be continuing our coding into the Star Catcher game by working alongside variables and if or else loops. First, let us revise what we had learned in the fourth episode, as we'll be needing this information today too. To start, let's understand what variables are. Variables are a mathematical term for a value that can be changed. In coding, we can use this for various different functions, such as conveying the score, storing data and other values, and adding unknown expressions. For our project particularly, we'll be using variables for three different things. The rocket health, the points scored in the x and y axis of the rocket position so the UFO knows where to shoot. If-else loops are used in calculating if you win or lose in the game. Winning is calculated by checking if the score is more than 25, and this is done by setting the criteria in an if block to score equals 25. Losing is calculated by doing the same thing with another if loop, with the criteria health equals 0. And in each of these situations, you will be navigated to winning or losing screen respectively. First, let's start with coding. First, create two background screens for winning and losing. Then, create a variable called health. Directly under that, put a when played block and set the health to 20. Under that, add a block to set the score to 0. Now set the backdrop to space. These three blocks together will reset the game. Now, drag a play block and then in a forever loop, add a if and if-else loop respectively. Inside the if loop, the condition will be score is more than equal to 25. And in the else if loop, set the condition to health is less than equal to 0. According to the condition, add a set background block and set it to the winning or losing screen. Now, to make the shooting alien ship, add an alien ship sprite and design a custom white bullet sprite. To make the alien ship move around, add a forever loop under the play block, and in that forever loop, add a go to random position block. And then set the speed to slow. Now go to the rocket and create an x and y position variable and set these to the x and y position of the rocket. Under this, add a wait for 4 seconds block. Under that, add a play block in the bullet code. Add a forever loop inside which adds a go to sprite show to go to and hide a block. Now, change the go to sprite block to go to the alien ship and the speed should be instantaneous. Then make the show block instantaneous and set the y-axis to the x variable and the y-axis to the x-axis to the x variable and the y-axis to the y variable. Now set the speed to medium speed. And now make the hide block instantaneous. That's all for now. Yours sincerely, Team Sigma.